AMF220 is 40 square meter and 165 cubic meter per hour. And this one, it will rotate up to 350 degree and 60 degree and 120 degree. There's a timer, fan level from 1 to 3, and the fan heater also as well, and then the on off button. When we try to switch on, yeah, there's a fan. Just press it. It's a light pressing. You can change the speed, and as you can see, the sounds is only that much, so it's not so noisy unlike in other. And there's a color indication if the air purifier is cleaning. So now it's blue. When it's turning to blue, it means the room is clean. And then you can swing when you press it, this one, for how many degree? Yeah, 60 degree. And this is 120 degree. So it really surrounds the fan inside the room in 120 degree. And the maximum one is 350 degree. You will see also the airflow. And this one is the fan heater. You can select from 1 to 2 and 3 also. And the timer up to, if you can see the indication, is only 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours. But it will maximum 7 hours when you press 2 times. If you see this one, when you press 2 times, you will get 3 hours timer. And also from 4 hours, you can select this one, press 3 times to get the 7 hours equivalent timer. So it will automatic shut down. So now it's red because it's smelling my perfume. So it really indicates it's very fast. And this is the display. This is the room degree. The temperature 21 degree. And the PM 2.5 per minute. Yeah, this is per minute. So this is the smallest particles. It indicates 005. And this one is the sensor for PM 2.5. So it really indicates, or it will censor the smallest particles inside the room, and it will capture by HEPA filter. And this one is the HEPA filter. So it's easy to remove it. Just hold it from the side. This one you can easily remove and detach. So the HEPA filter has 3 filter. So this is the HEPA filter. It comes with the pre-filter net. So you can vacuum that one also. And inside there is a charcoal for the odors and smell. And this is replaceable, depend on your how many hours per day you are using. Mostly the lifespan of the filter, you can replace up to 1 year. You must remove the plastic when you want to use it, because of course it will not capture the smallest micron inside the room, and the smell and the smoke. How to put it back is like that only. It's very easy. And this is the magnetic place where you can put the remote. This one is the remote one. You can put it at the back. This is magnetic, so that you will not misplace the remote. And it indicates also the same as here, the fan level, the rotation, and Also the lock, you can use it, and the switch on, and the timer as well. And the light, you can use for the light also if you want to see the light for indication if your room is clean or no. This is the manual guideline for you to understand the unit, how to use it, and what is the function for that. There's a child lock indicator, PM2 display, temperature display, remote control, housing, control buttons, light strip, and air outlet.